Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, certified pre-owned and low miles, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2017 Corolla. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, FWD, remote trunk release, steel wheels, tire pressure monitor. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, lane departure warning, cruise control, trip computer.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used Program. It's the smart choice.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.